Hi, my name is Raju. I'm the curriculum leader for Level 3 in Construction and Built Environment, as well as HE at Gateshead College. My background is architecture. I graduated as an architect. I've been involved in a number of key projects in Scotland related to housing and innovative solutions, modern methods of construction, as well as low energy, all of which has kind of manifested itself in our Level 3 Construction and Built Environment. My interest is really about design and process and innovation. In terms of construction, at a technician level, there's a wide range of career pathways which you may or may not have heard about. Level 3 essentially is your entry point into them, whether it be through for civil engineering, for building service engineering, design and architecture, construction supervision and management. Level 3 tries to capture this and provide a holistic overview of the various pathways and the knowledge within the various pathways to help you decide where your interests lie, and which pathway you essentially want to pursue as a future career. My advice really is during the course is to keep an open mind, as there's a number of careers and roles which you may not have come across or have considered. So it's worth looking at different industries within construction, and then the course is designed to expose you to different kind of knowledge and experiences within that. But really, in relation to the industry itself, there's been a lot of change in the last 10 to 15 years, really related to technology. Currently, qualified construction technicians, managers, and professionals are highly sought after within the construction industry, with demand for greater professionals to implement and lead on what's called BIM, Build Information Modeling, which I'll go over in a bit, low carbon technologies, sustainable building projects in an efficient and cost effective way. The Level 3 program starts to develop a lot of these key themes to make you obviously develop the knowledge that you need to go into the industry, but also as a starting point for progression into the various levels as you go through towards HE and degree level. So essentially, this is a very good starting point for you into the construction industry at Level 3 that gives you exposure to as much of the key themes and key roles that you should really kind of think about when thinking about a career in construction. I mentioned earlier about the change in construction, which is really related to what's called Building Information Modeling (BIM). BIM is a digital collaboration process that facilitates the collaboration between all the different parties in construction, be it engineering, design, architecture, management, facilities, and building services. As a result of BIM, there's a lot of new technology related to software that's been implemented to facilitate this collaboration. Something which I'm going to demonstrate to you in a bit. I mean, we use Revit, which is what's become the industry standard now. Before it was AutoCAD. Now a lot of people tend to use Autodesk Revit. We have this in our studios, in our classrooms, and we kind of teach you how to use it and then how you develop a project within it. Okay, so we kind of go through tutorials of how you use the software on all the features, as well as get you to implement this into a design project, which will cover one of the units in the course specification. The curriculum is geared towards BIM in a number of units, both in theory and in practical sense, in using the different software technologies to kind of develop the knowledge or demonstrate the knowledge that you're kind of developing. So it's a very holistic way of using the technology. This will hopefully show you its impact to you as you enter in the profession, as you enter into the jobs market, as the skills and knowledges surrounding BIM will give you a better opportunity for employment and the edge over your applicants. It is one of the things that the industry are wanting to recruit more and more, given our knowledge with some of our current recruits that have went into the industry in recent years. But it's something that we are really passionate about, and we really want to focus on developing those skills over the course of the different units you've got to complete.